Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are good. This is Ronit, your YouTube friend. Today I brought something new for you, for the newly candidates, those who want to take admission in the DI or those who want to seek one seats for themselves in the DI. So just concentrate on my screens and I will take you to the DI official websites at the di.ac.in. So now without spending any time, I do not want to waste your time, so let's go now. Okay, now this notice is only for the students those who want to attend, those whose interview are left because of any reasons. Maybe he or she is not able to attend the interview due to any reasons. His interview will be scheduled at 17th July, 17th of July. Okay, now I will read the notice one by one. You can also read it. Okay, now this is on the screen, you can read it. Only the things is mentioned in the candidate here is that those candidates who fail to appear in the interview in allotted slots, it means the time which is given to him, and due to any situations or due to any reasons he or she is not able to attend the interview, will we give last opportunity. It means DI is giving a last opportunity to all the candidates, those who was unable to attend the DI interview on July 17. It means those who missed his those who missed the opportunity to of his interview on the given times, DI give him a suitable times to not suitable time, sorry, a last opportunity to the attend his interview on 17th July. So now that's it for today. Nothing is more. I will definitely upgrade you or inform you if I get anything from any source. So now I will talk one thing more about with you. I wanted to talk one thing more about with you is that up tomorrow evenings, it means to 14th evenings, I will upload a video. You all must watch it because it is the time or the situations at that times many students are become careless after the interview sessions that कि मेरा इंटरव्यू तो अब हो गया, अब मेरा एडमिशन हो जाएगा. देयर इज नथिंग इन द DI. you have you have to take one seats. You have to try till until you didn't are in the merit list or in the counseling list of the DI. Okay, now that's all for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Stay at home, stay safe. One good news is that Russia had made the vaccines of a corona. Russia's university, one university, made the vaccines of corona. It means that vaccine passed the clinical trial. Not made that vaccine passed the clinical trial. After that, it will come on the productions. After that, marketing. Okay, stay at home. Still, it is in the Russia. It made in Russia, not in India. It will take a lot of time, much times. Great. I don't know how much time it will take to come in India, but it will take a great huge days of your life. It means 10 or 15 days. It is a great day.